video, you will learn how to introduce your friends. If you want to talk about your friends in English, you have to mention their names. Age, nationality, hometown, occupation, interests. To talk about your friends, you need to mention information about what they do, what they like to do, where they live, their nationalities. Here is an example. Hi, my name is Jane. I am Jane. These are my friends. His name is James. Her name is Lucy. They are from California. They are American. They live in Los Angeles. James is a tour guide. He likes scuba diving. His sister Lucy is a journalist. Lucy loves hiking. She is also a very good photographer. She enjoys taking pictures of famous people. Now, here are some expressions to remember. Here are some expressions to introduce your friends. My best friend's name is James. This is my best friend James. Let me introduce you to my best friend James. Please, meet my best friend James. To talk about their occupations, you may use these phrases. He is a doctor. She is in sales. He works for a private school. She teaches for a living. To talk about their origin, use these expressions. She is from New York. He is American. They live in London but they are originally from Cairo. They are from Morocco. Finally, to talk about your friend's interests, you may use these phrases. He likes playing tennis. She enjoys hanging out with her friends. He is interested in collecting stamps. She is really into website design. When he has the time, he likes to go walking. Now, listen to the following person talking about his friends. When you finish, answer the questions at the end.
Hi, I'm Connor Lee. I'm 28 years old. I'm from Montreal, Canada. For work, I'm a salesman. I'm really lucky because I get to travel the world. I have friends all over the world. Here, look. This is my friend Gabriel and his sister, Sarah. He's 25 years old and she is 26. He's from California. He's a tour guide and he lives in Bolivia. This is him in a really small plane. He does amazing things for his job every day. Here are some pictures of him last week. Here he is on Monday, scuba diving. Here he is on Tuesday, hiking. On Wednesday, here he is in the jungle. On Thursday, playing with some animals. Here he is Friday, back in La Paz. This is Gabe with his two sisters, Sarah and Molly. They are on vacation in Colombia. I am excited to visit him soon. Here's another friend of mine. Her name is Cecilia. She is 29 years old. Cecilia is from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. She is a journalist there. Cecilia loves her cat, Pedro. And she loves her cell phone. She is a journalist, so she's always on Twitter. Cecilia is also a very good photographer. These are pictures from a carnival party. She's a very good friend. She likes to smile. Here's my old friend, Sam. He is 22 years old. He's from Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States. But his family is from Liberia, West Africa. Sam is in college and also a poet. Here's another friend. Her name's Emily, and she is 23 years old. And that's her new puppy, Marcus. Emily's from London, England. She's in college and she is studying history. And this is my friend Trevor. He's 27 years old. He's from Canada, but he lives in New York City now. Trevor is an actor. Here he is with his team last Sunday. Here's the trophy. Trevor is very funny. He's a good friend. Here's my friend Antonio. He's from Florence, Italy. Antonio's from Italy, but he works with me in Montreal. He's 25 years old. These are some of my friends. I'm really lucky.
Now, it's quiz time.